Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Are you dreaming of Thailand's stunning beaches, vibrant markets, and delicious street food? If you're watching from Bangladesh, that dream is closer than you think. But first, you need a visa. The process can seem a bit confusing, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete, step-by-step guide on how to apply for a Thai tourist visa from Bangladesh for 2025. We'll break down every single step, making it super simple and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you'll be a visa expert, ready to plan your amazing Thai adventure. So grab a notebook, and let's get started on making your trip happen. First things first, you need to know which visa you're applying for. For most tourists, the go-to option is the Tourist Visa Single Entry. This visa typically allows you to stay in Thailand for up to 60 days. It's perfect for a holiday, visiting friends or family, or just exploring the country. If you're thinking of a longer trip or multiple visits, there's also a multiple entry tourist visa, but the requirements for that are a bit stricter. For this guide, we'll focus on the single entry visa, as it's the most common one for travelers from Bangladesh. Choosing the right visa from the start saves you a lot of time and potential confusion later on. So, for your vacation, remember, tourist visa single entry. Easy, right? Alright, now that you know your visa type, where do you actually apply? You don't go directly to the Royal Thai Embassy. Instead, you'll go through an authorized visa application center. In Bangladesh, the official partner for Thai visa applications is VFS Global. They have centers in Dhaka, Chittagong, and Sylhet, which is really convenient. You can find the exact addresses and working hours on the VFS Global Thailand website for Bangladesh. Just Google VFS Global Thailand Bangladesh, and it'll be the top result. These centers are your one-stop shop for submitting your application, giving your biometrics, and paying the fees. Remember, using the official center is crucial to ensure your application is handled correctly and securely. Don't fall for any unauthorized agents promising a faster process. Stick with VFS Global. This next step is the most important one: preparing your documents. Getting this right is key to a successful application. Let's make a checklist. First, your passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months from your intended date of entry into Thailand and have at least 2 blank pages. Next, you'll need 2 recent passport-sized photographs taken against a white background. Make sure they meet the specific size requirements mentioned on the VFS website. You'll also need a copy of your passport's information page. Then, proof of your travel plans. This means confirmed round-trip flight tickets and proof of accommodation, like hotel bookings for your entire stay. Don't book non-refundable options until your visa is approved, just in case. Now for the financial proof. You need to show you can support yourself during the trip. This is usually done with a bank statement from the last 6 months, showing a consistent and sufficient balance. You'll also need a bank solvency certificate. For employment, you'll need a no-objection certificate or NOC from your employer. This letter should be on company letterhead stating your position, salary, and that your leave has been approved. If you're a business owner, you'll need your business registration documents and trade license. If you're a student, a letter from your school or university is required. Always double-check the VFS Global website for the most up-to-date document list, as requirements can sometimes change. Gather everything neatly in a file to make your submission day smooth and stress-free. With your documents ready, it's time to fill out the application form. You can download this form directly from the VFS Global website or the Royal Thai Embassy's website. My advice? Fill it out on your computer before printing. This ensures it's neat, legible, and you avoid any mistakes from messy handwriting. Be honest and accurate with every piece of information. The details on your form must match the details in your supporting documents. For example, the hotel name on your form should be the same as the one on your booking confirmation. Double-check your passport number, name spelling, and dates. Any inconsistencies can lead to delays or even a rejection. Once you've filled it out, print it, and sign it in the designated space. Okay, deep breaths, it's submission day. You've got your perfectly organized documents and your completed application form. The next step is to visit the VFS Global Center you chose. It's thus a good idea to book an appointment online through the VFS website to avoid long wait times. On your appointment day, arrive a little early. At the center, you'll submit your application file to the staff, who will review it to make sure everything is in order. This is also when you'll provide your biometrics, which is just a quick fingerprint scan and a digital photo. After that, you'll proceed to pay the visa fee and the VFS service charge. They'll give you a receipt with a tracking number. Hold on to this receipt tightly. It is your proof of submission, and you will need it to track your application and collect your passport later. And now, the waiting game begins. After you've submitted everything, your application is sent to the Royal Thai Embassy in Dhaka for a decision. You can track the status of your application online using the tracking number on your receipt. Just go to the VF's global website, find the tracking section, and enter your details. The processing time can vary, but it usually takes around 7 to 10 working days. It can be longer during peak travel seasons, so always apply well in advance of your planned travel date. I'd recommend applying at least 3 to 4 weeks before your trip. Once the embassy has made a decision, your passport will be sent back to the VFS center. You'll get an SMS or email notification telling you it's ready for collection. Then, just go back to the center with your original receipt and your ID to pick up your passport. Seeing that visa sticker inside is the best feeling. Now, what about the eVisa? Yes, Thailand does have an eVisa on arrival system, but it's important to know that as of my last update, this is not available for Bangladeshi passport holders arriving from Bangladesh. The eVisa on arrival is for citizens of certain countries. Bangladeshi citizens must apply for a visa sticker from the embassy before traveling. There is a Thai eVisa platform, but this is typically for applicants in countries where there is no Thai embassy or for certain visa types. For a standard tourist visa from Bangladesh, the process I've outlined going through VFS Global is the correct and official procedure. Always check the Royal Thai Embassy Dhaka's official website for any changes to visa policy. Don't get confused by different visa systems. For now, stick to the tried and true sticker visa process. Congratulations! Your passport is back and the beautiful visa is sitting inside. You're almost ready for Thailand. Here are a few final travel tips. First, make copies of your important documents, passport, visa, flight tickets, and hotel bookings. Keep one set with you, separate from the originals, and leave another set with someone back home. It's also a great idea to have digital copies saved on your phone or cloud storage. Second, currency. While you can exchange money in Thailand, it's wise to carry some Thai baht with you for immediate expenses like a taxi or a meal when you land. Finally, get a local Thai SIM card at the airport. It's cheap and will give you easy access to data for maps, translation apps, and staying connected. Following these simple tips will help ensure your trip is smooth, safe, and incredibly enjoyable from the moment you land in the land of smiles. And that's it. Your complete step-by-step guide to applying for a Thai tourist visa from Bangladesh. It might seem like a lot of steps, but if you follow them one by one and prepare your documents carefully, the process is very straightforward. The key is to be organized and apply with plenty of time to spare. Thailand is an absolutely incredible country, and it's worth every bit of this preparation. I hope this guide was helpful and gives you the confidence to start your application. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.